and gentlemen, karibuni sana ndani ya Kazon 254, mahali ambapo sisi huongelea maneno yote kuhusu magari. Na kama ungependa kuona video zetu kila wakati na hujasubscribe, kimbia pale kwenye YouTube Kazon 254, na kwenye Facebook ukaweza kutufollow Kazon 254, na Instagram see our beautiful pictures there and interact with us on Kazon 254KE. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to review this beautiful machine, Toyota PRADO TX. Sasa, hii gari ni gari ya off-road. Clearly, you can see the ground clearance of this car. It tells you it's the car for, and if I'm not colorblind, I think this is pearl white. It's pearl white. Now, this car is car for off-road. It's a 2015 model. So this car comes fitted with everything you want or you need pale kwenye off-road, pale kwenye rough road. Kwanza msimu huu wa Christmas ambapo unaweza kuwa unapeleka familia yako mashamba, this is the machine for you. It is spacious, it is comfortable, it is powerful, and I love multi-purposeness of this car. So tukuje pande ya mbele, quite basic, this wonderful aggressive grille, and with the logo here ya Toyota. This is beautiful. This makes this car looks very sportish, and this is a true SUV. This is not anything like you know, those fake SUVs. This is a true SUV. Ukiangalia hapa chini, fog lights. We have fog lights there, and the bumper is quite raised to give you enough ground clearance. Kwa hivyo kama kuna mahali kuna mlima ama kuna maybe can I say pameinuka, hii gari kuguza chini ni sahau, forget about it. When it comes to clearance, this car gives you the best. Hapa kuna this mirror on the other side of the passenger is to help the driver to see the blind spot. You know, in Australia, these SUV cars ndio zilikuwa zinaua watoto sana, kwa sababu maybe you're reversing the car or maybe you're driving the car and you're not able to see this blind spot. So this thing is very safe, and it's very wonderful for the driver when they are reversing the vehicle, or even to help them to see the area of the car. You know, this is not like a Mercedes. It does not come fitted with 360 cameras. So this will come in handy. Something I did not talk about is the headlights. They have this wonderful Land Cruiser headlights. Na hizi headlights huwa kama umewahi kutana na Prado kwa highway, unajuanga vile hizi taa huwa zinafanya kazi yake. So that is wonderful. There's nothing much to talk about on the front side. Come here, the big side mirror with winkers here that also is huwa ina indicate wakati unafanya indicators and also hazards. Another thing also, you can see it comes also with rails hapa juu ambazo zinaweza kusaidia sana wakati unataka kufunga cargo, ama unataka kufunga anything on top there. This will come in handy. So one thing that Toyota PRADO they are known for practicability, they are known for efficiency, they are known for you know, reliability. This car, it's another name of this car is reliability. You know, it's not like a car that mtu mwanatafuta, you know, extreme comfort. No, this is a car for reliability. Something else, we have this kind of panel here that helps you to step when you're coming in the car, and it's well placed. It's not too high, and neither is it too low. It's somewhere that is really nice. So I love the placement of it, and also it's very hard, and they have done lines just to make sure you're not you cannot slide. Especially when it's muddy, these lines will help you to climb in. So also it comes fitted in 17-inch tires and alloy rims, and these are quite basic tires. You can change and put all-terrain tires or any kind of tires you want. And also you can do maybe higher profile or higher or bigger tires, so it's your choice. But the way it is right now, gari, it has a decent ground clearance. With this, you're safe when you go to off-road. But kuna wale huwa wanataka gari na like a monster car, unaweza cheza nayo vile unataka. Come here, on the rear side we have the braking lights and the reverse lights and indicators. What I love about these lights is the way they are vile zimeplesiwa, yani it looks something very, very aggressive and gives you that sense of off-road and an SUV. So this car is not the latest in PRADO because we have TXL and under the new models of PRADO, but even so it has this feel of modernness, ama yani nakufanya una feel unaendesha something that is quite new. Also we have this kind of chrome kind of panel here with the Land Cruiser badge written on it and a Toyota, and it's just neatly done, nothing much to talk about. It's just basic, but it looks very nice. This car, the look about this car, it's executive, and also not only executive, it gives you that kind of sportish kind of look. So this is the boot for you, and there's nothing big going on here. Unfortunately, when it comes to the way these things opens, we'll have preferred maybe for it to be opening up for the size or for the space when you're shopping, maybe when there's a car parked behind you, but it always works. This always works. It's a 7-seater, so if you have a big family, this will be very helpful. Wakati uko na watu wengi, or maybe even you're carrying your extended family, if you have a small family maybe of 2 children and a mother and a husband and maybe like an auntie or an uncle, this will come in handy. Unfortunately, ikiwa unabeba 7-seater hapa, hautakuwa na enough space to kubeba luggage, and that's why those rails come in handy. You can do a cargo rail up there na unaifunga kwa hizo rails, and that will be very, very wonderful. So that is the back side of the car. So if you lower this, if you're not 7 of you and you lower this, you'll have quite a decent space for luggage. Yeah, it can do several suitcases. So if you're not doing 7 people, then you'll have enough space there for. Also, can go up there. So without much ado, we need to come inside of this car. So in this version, or in this car, they have not done leather, they have done fabric, but this fabric is very, very smooth, high quality fabric. In fact, you know, the good thing about Toyota is that they try their best to bring everything to work in the right way. So in this PRADO, I told you, it's a quite they have gone quite basic on it. We cannot say they are doing a true luxury vehicle. No. This is for reliability and for off-road, and maybe you want to go to Masai Mara, maybe you want to go to Moshada, Mashambani. This is the car for you. So the steering is quite basic. They have a lot of buttons. It's just this kind of joystick, yeah, control infotainment, or yeah, the infotainment screen. It comes with it's not a very big screen here, but it's quite decent. And I told you once again, this car, they have gone quite easy on it in terms of gadgets, but it's solid. Something about it, it's solid. Everything here is solidly placed. Even the way they have done the dashboard, everything is solidly placed. So we have a screen here, an infotainment screen. We have another place here to control your AC, and everything is just direct. No complications. It's just they show you if you want AC on, AC off, where if you want to warm your mirrors, your rear and your front, everything is there. So it's quite a basic car, but it's very reliable. So if you're looking for a comfort of a Rolls-Royce, that's not what you're getting here. That's the wrong car. But if you're looking for efficiency and reliability, kama unataka gari yenye unaamuka unasema I'm going to Masai Mara, or I'm going to those, you know, adventurous places, this is the ride for you. So something that I really expected to have here is a sunroof, but tutavumilia. I can say it's a pretty decent. It has pretty decent features for this kind of car and for the kind of things you want to do with this car. Another thing we see as SRS curtain airbags. So Safety in this car also is well taken care of. So they have curtains, and also they have an airbag here and an airbag here. So they have taken care of safety in this car. Also, it comes with upper panday on the left side of the driver's seat. We have a 12-volt charging port, and we have an auxiliary. This is an auxiliary place for music, an aux, and also a place for a USB. Quite digital, but what I notice is that they have gone basic in it. And even if this is the plastic, they have used plastic panels, is their quality plastic panels. And when you're driving this car, you cannot feel or you cannot hear, noises from loose panels. No, everything is done here decently and wonderfully. Now, place to store drinks, we have one there and also another one here, but it's for maybe like a half a liter. And also another storage area here. Maybe you can do a coffee or something. The controls of this seat is semi-electric, because this one you do manually, and also there's another one for reclining. There is another one for electronic. So that is really nice. So also here at the rear seats, enough leg room and also headroom, and also we have this place for supporting yourself as you're entering the car, and or maybe a lighting. So that is very nice. Also, I love the way they have done their panels here. These window panels are really nice, less of plastic and high quality rubber, and also we have this fabric here. So as I repeat again, in this model of Toyota Prado, they're not trying to give you, those high-end kind of comfort where you have a lot of leather, a lot of functions and features. It's just a basic car and a practical car for your need. And also we have rear AC vents here, the rear AC vents here, and also a 12-volt charging port here. Very practical. Something I like about it also, in the middle, it's not highly raised. It's just, you can stay 3 of you. Yeah, but the middle spot as usual is not as comfortable so as the rest, but it's yani amwezi kuwa watu watatu na muache mmoja. You will sit comfortably and move on. So I love the space. This car is spacious, it's huge, and the texture of the chairs and the fabric, they are awesome. Yeah, pretty much. So chanishuki kama mheshimiwa. So ladies and gentlemen, today we have been reviewing this machine, and something about it, it's a big car, but it's fuel efficient because the engine is not that big. It comes fitted with a 2.7 liter engine, and it's a petrol engine, so you can have a car that is reliable in terms of off-road, but unakuta bado hiyo engine yake haikutesi sana kimfuko, especially now when fuel prices, they have skyrocketed. So this car is fuel efficient, this car is reliable, it's practical, and if you're looking for a car maybe to do field works, or maybe to do a lot of inspection on construction fields in remote areas, this is the car for you. Something with Toyota they have managed to do over the years is to become reliable. The way they build their car, they just give to you reliability. So if you're looking for reliability and decent comfort and good grip, this is the machine for you, Toyota Prado TX 2015. So ladies and gentlemen, talk to us on our channel, on our pages, and we will help you know how you can get this car in a very wonderful price. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Thank you.